Now, students, in our earlier classes, we have learned already about the present tense and past tense of their and their types also. Now, let's we start today we'll learn about the future tense. Okay. Firstly, we look the future simple, that is also known as the future indefinite tense, and its formula is subject plus will oblique shall plus v1 first form of the verb, and then we write down the object. Okay. Now look the example. I will eat mango. I will eat mango. It is the first form of the verb, and object is here mango. Subject is the I. Future tense is also used to express एक्शन इन द फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर में होने वाली जो एक्शंस हैं उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ लुक द एग्जांपल. आई शैल मीट यू टुमारो. आई शैल मीट यू टुमारो. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? कि कल मैं तुमसे मिलूँगा. आई शैल, आई विल. नाउ इन अ मॉडर्न इंग्लिश वी ऑल मोस्टली यूज़ विल इन द प्लेस ऑफ सेल. तो आई विल मीट यू टुमारो, तो मैं कल तुमसे मिलूँगा या मिलूँगी. एंड द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लाइक द होल क्लास विल लॉफ एट हिम. द होल क्लास विल लॉफ एट हिम. विल. ओके. बोथ द एग्जाम्पल टू एक्सप्रेस द एक्शन इन द future. Okay. And future indefinite tense is also used to express habitual action in the future. Habitual action in the future, like the frog will graze on the hillside, or another example like roses will bloom in the rainy season. Roses will bloom in the rainy season. Okay. Now look the next form of the future tense, future continuous, or it is also known as the future progressive. Okay. What its formula? Subject plus will oblique shall, okay, plus be plus third form of the first form of the verb with ing, that is also known as the v4 form, and then we use at last object. Okay. Now look the example. I will be, beb, we always use in a continuous tense. For future continuous tense, add be with the will. I will be eating mango. I eat mango in a future simple, and in a continuously the action will be going on in a continuously. That time will be, we use will be. I will be eating mango. मैं आम खा रहा हूँगा. Okay. And it is also used to express an action which will occur in the usual course of events. Usual course of events. फ्यूचर में यदि कोई इवेंट जो है वो एक सीक्वेंस में हो, यूजुअली that will be denoted by the future continuous tense. Now look example. They will be staying here till Sunday. They will be staying here till Sunday. Okay. तो संडे तक वो यहाँ रुक रहे होंगे. ठीक है. Now the next example, the boy will be playing here this evening, and it is also used to express future without intention. Future without intention मतलब बिना किसी इंटेंशन के, यदि हमको फ्यूचर के लिए कोई प्लानिंग किसी को बतानी हो, दैट टाइम वी यूज़ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, they will be staying long, they will be staying long. Okay, now look the next form of the future tense, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, what is its formula? Subject plus will, shall plus have plus V3 plus object. Have, we always use have, has, had for a perfect tense. In a present tense we use have, has. In a past tense we use had, and in a perfect future perfect we use have plus V3 with the shall or will. Okay, now look the example, I will have eaten mango. I will have, eat at eaten. Eaten is the third form of the verb eat, eaten, and in last mango. This type of tense is used to express, to indicate the completion of an action by a certain future, by a certain future. That means what? भविष्य में, in a future, यदि कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे कोई कार्य यदि जो है एक्शन जो है वो पूर्ण होने वाला हो, तो उसे भी हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. नाउ लिसन एन एग्जाम्पल, दे विल हैव लर्न देयर लेसन. दे विल हैव लर्न देयर लेसन. ओके, उसने अपना लेसन जो है वो पूरा सीख लिया होगा. ओके, एंड लास्ट वन इज द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट continuous tense, its formula is subject plus will, shall plus have been, been. Okay, plus V4 plus object plus since or for plus remaining part of the sentence. Okay, in a present perfect present continuous tense we also use have been, has been. In a past continuous past perfect continuous we use had been, and in a future we use with the will or shall have been. Okay, with all the subject. Now look the example, I will have been eating mango. I will have been eating mango. Now I hope you all learn the all types of lesson, all types of tense in a past or future or a present tense. Okay students.